everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Niesman Team Tours with me, Jerryniesman of the Niesman Team at Keller Williams Realty. Be sure to click subscribe to stay on top of all things Southwest Florida. And if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate, feel free to reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. And don't forget to ring that bell if you want to be notified when the next video drops.
Today we're here checking out another of Beattie Development's amazing model homes. This is their second furnished model. This one is the Majestic, which is an awesome home. Really high-end custom home, very nicely done. This one features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 3-car garage, and over 2,300 square feet of living area. Really nice design, did a great job of making the home stand out all the way around from the front of the home with the bay window area and kind of a similar window setup in the breakfast nook looking out over the fantastic lanai and outdoor living space and pool area. Extremely tall ceilings, double trays, just very nicely done home. Beattie Homes is a custom home builder, so you can customize this home. You can customize any of their floor plans. Right now their homes are starting from right about 400 on your lot, and then they go up from there depending on size, features, what kind of customizations you want to do. Great builder. I've got multiple clients under contract with homes being built by them now, and they do a fantastic job. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this tour. If this home is something that interests you, or building a custom home, or just new construction in general here in Southwest Florida, please hit me up, let me know. All my contact information is here on our channel. Love to hear from you. And if you're looking for homes in Southwest Florida, this is the spot. Let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want updates and notifications of our future videos, ring that bell.